Yo, she fire. Brown skin, pretty brown eyes, slim waist, but her hips
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you guys clicked on this video, and I'm super happy to be filming this video for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me / a girls talk video about self-esteem. In terms of what I'm getting ready for, I don't really have anywhere to go. It's 1 a.m. I just want to get cute. I'm probably gonna 1, film another video after this, and then 2, take some selfies. That's literally about it. If you guys haven't noticed, your girl is here all natural. Natural hair, natural face, no eyebrows, no nothing. You see me raw and uncut, and I'm trying to convince you and make you understand that you being raw, uncut, and yourself is perfectly fine. Okay, so first of all, this is not a hair tutorial. Y'all are just gonna watch me get ready, but if y'all do want a hair tutorial, just let me know that. I'm gonna be doing a high bun with a size, here we go. This side is longer than this side. You know, your girl is not even bald-headed. But if I was, that'd be okay too. The first thing that comes to my mind, personally, when I think about self-esteem and anything in that category, is the fact that we really live in the social media era, and it is ridiculously hard to have a good self-esteem in this era because we're surrounded by so many, like, when I say unrealistic, it's more unrealistic than any of the recent time periods. Because think about it, in the 90s, maybe they wanted you to be super stick thin, but like being super stick thin, you could starve yourself to get super stick thin, and that sounds bad. Don't ever starve yourself. But if you want to get like an IG body, yada 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 yada, nah, imagine I got copyrighted. But nah, if you want to get like a super big butt, Kim K, curves, pow, like, it don't matter how much starving I do. Like, even if I go to the gym, like, I could be in the gym for years, it's gonna be almost impossible to get a body like that. So yeah, like I said before, Instagram and social media definitely can have a very large impact on how you feel about yourself. And for a lot of people, that impact is negative. Now, what I have to say for that is, that's perfectly normal. For you to let those things affect you, that means in that moment you are not realizing that you have more to offer than just your physical appearance. I know that in today's world, anybody that says looks don't matter, they're dead lying to you, because this world is so based off of looks, or else we would not have racist people in this world. We wouldn't have colorism and things of that nature. So I will never sit here and cap to you and say that looks don't matter, But what I will say to you is, you have more to offer than just your looks, okay? Like, you have, and if you feel like you don't have more to offer than just your looks, then that needs to not be your focus. You need to start putting your focus into better things, like how to have more to offer, because looks are not everything. For me, one way that I keep my self-esteem high is by setting goals and accomplishing them. Nothing will make you think more highly of yourself than knowing that you can do anything that you set your mind to. You know how big of a flex that is, at least for me. And if that's not your mindset, then once again, you need to check your mindset. That's a big part of having a good self-esteem, is checking your mindset. Not to say that you're never gonna have down moments, even if you have a good mindset, but you need to keep that in mind. All right, guys, so we finished the bun. It looks pretty decent for what it is. Like, I'm not going nowhere. But anyways, we're gonna move on to the makeup. Okay, so the second thing that comes into my mind when I think about self-esteem is boys. A lot of the time we let these boys come into our lives and make us feel like we're worthless or something is wrong with us, because they either don't treat you how you should be treated, or they cheat, or they do just trifling things. If a boy cheats on you, it's not because you're not beautiful. It's not because your personality isn't popping. 9 times out of 10, it's because he's immature. Because really think about it, even if somebody didn't want to be with you because you weren't beautiful or your personality wasn't popping, if they were mature, wouldn't they be able to tell you, like communicate that with you, like, I don't want to be with you anymore because of whatever the reason is. So for me, I feel like that's something I had to learn. That's something we all have to learn. Don't let boys define your self-esteem. All right guys, I just did my brows. I still gotta blend them in, so don't come for me. But yeah, so basically another thing I wanted to talk about is a lot of the times when because I've definitely watched girl chats about self-esteem and confidence. A lot of the times you'll hear a lot of like beauty gurus be like, oh, if you want to be more confident, start taking care of yourself, start wearing makeup, and I'm literally applying makeup right now, so trust me, I don't have any problem with girls putting on makeup or doing whatever they need to do to make themselves feel more confident. But what I do want to say is, don't do things to yourself that you're going to be so dependent on that it's not real confidence. Like, you do things that make you fake confident, if that makes sense. Like, you beat your face every day and that makes you feel confident, but when your face is not beat, you're not confident. That's not okay. When you're working on your self-esteem and your confidence, work on loving who you are when you're 100% you. Like, that's why I really started off this video raw, natural hair, natural face, not just to pop out, hey guys, natural hair, natural face, but no, really to show you guys you have to be comfortable with yourself, raw and real. Yeah, comparing yourself to other women, it's really never gonna end well. You should always just appreciate what you have and focus on being the best version of yourself, not the best version of another person. Because also, to be quite frank with you, half of the stuff that you're seeing and comparing yourself to on Instagram and all those other things, they're not even real. Like, these girls are getting their bodies done. These girls are putting the time into the gym, which is real, but they have good genetics that allow them to get that easier. So, you know, don't compare yourself to things that are unobtainable, because that's just not healthy, like, at all. There are some things that we are just not comfortable with at all, and it's not going to change because that's just who we are. We just don't like it, whatever, and that's okay, you know, because that's natural. And in those cases, certain things like your body, if you want a flatter stomach, a bigger butt, things like that, you want to slim down, those are things that you can do in the gym. And for me, even personally, I'm planning on going on some type of fitness journey, because I don't think I'm fat, but I want to lose a couple pounds. There's some things you can change like that, but there's other things that you just cannot change, like your features. And I know, especially for a lot of us Black women, like, people love our features on other people, but for some reason our features on us are just not the standard. Like, they're just not good enough. I look crazy. Okay, there's 2 things you can do in instances where you are just not satisfied with something that's just not changeable on your face. 1, you can sit down, look in the mirror, and just think to yourself logically that this is something that you're gonna have to embrace, because it's you and God created you perfectly. If it's just something you can't stand, you better start saving up your money, because most flaws are pretty fixable in a doctor's office. I'm not telling nobody to do that, but if it's bothering you that badly, then maybe that's something you should look into. Okay, last but certainly not least, I need to reapply some lip gloss, which I got from the beauty supply store, because the beauty supply store don't miss. Okay, are you kidding me? Okay, so that's the end of this look. That's really essentially the end of this get ready with me. So basically, just to conclude everything that we've talked about over this video, when it comes to self-esteem, 1, don't let the IG baddies get to you, okay? Focus on yourself, you're beautiful. 2, don't compare yourself to other women. 3, don't have these boys out here determining your self-worth, because 9 times out of 10, these boys are immature. Anything else? Well, y'all watched the video. Y'all know what I talked about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. New content coming soon. Bye.